We start our day with a Subway, breakfast in Subway, breakfast lunch in Subway, because we went to buy some materials, and that is near here in Subway. Yes, yummy Subway. And after Subway, we need to put some gasoline in our car. And this is the first time that Ricky put gasoline in the car. So practice. Tingnan natin kung marunong si Ricky maglagay ng gasolina sa sasakyan. Yan, 50 euro daw ang ilalagay ha. Dapat tama at kompletong 50 euro. Pero tingnan natin kung matatama niya yung 50 euro ilalagay sa sasakyan. Kaya dapat turuan mo, Mark, para mag 50 euro ang pwedeng ilagay lang. Ay, sumobra naman ng 50 euro. Hindi pwedeng gasoline boy ito.
A few moments later.
We will go to our food trailer. At ayan, nakadaan kami dito sa Castle Inn. What's that? Castle Inn. No, that's not in Dorwart. What is this castle? In Big and Donk. You know that they have in Big and Donk a castle. So this is Castle Big and Donk. We will have a look here in Castle Big and Donk. Really? Oh, yes, this is the Castle Big and Donk. But look, no trespassing. This is a private property. So bawal pumasok dito sa Castle Big and Donk. Pero of course, my love, go inside of this castle. Kami, dito lang kami picture outside. At baka mamaya mahuli kami ng pulis. Merong camera kaya dyan. O diba, dito na lang tayo mag-picture sa labas. Nice place. 1, 2, 3. Ano, nakapag-picture ka dyan sa loob? Ayan, ang loob ng castle. Nakapag-picture si Mr. Banchotan. Took some picture from inside the castle. So this is the private property at hindi naman siya pinagalitan ng may-ari. So after, ayan, nakakita kami sa kalsada ng tumataas na tulay na naman. Yung tulay tumataas, oh, dito sa may Helmond on the way to Big and Donk. Oh, this is already, I think, Big and Donk. Yes, we are going here in our trailer.